We've been discussing the 7 persuasive principles according to Dr. Robert Cialdini. Today, we address number 5, consensus, otherwise known as social proof. People tend to make choices that they think are popular among other people. No matter how much we all like to think of ourselves as unique individuals, special snowflakes falling from the clouds, at the end of the day, most of us feel a need to conform to social expectations. This is why we often look to others for cues about how to respond to something. There's tons of experiments that show the power of consensus, many of which suggest that the average human is likely to do as others do, even if it makes no sense. This experiment is an example. This group of plants were instructed to stand up every time they heard a buzz. This woman is not a plant. She's just an unsuspecting lady sitting in the waiting room. Eventually, though, she takes the cue from others and begins standing at the sound of the buzz, despite the fact that no one told her to and no one explained what they were doing. They just did it, so she just did it. There was even an experiment that compared 2 identical infomercials, the only difference being that one ended with the statement, "Operators are waiting, please call now," and the other ended with, "If operators are busy, please call back." The implication being that it's so popular that the line might be busy when you call, so if you get through, you better buy it quick. And that one was more successful. Point being, people tend to follow the pack, so if you want to persuade people, make it seem like others are doing it too.